This video is going through how you calculate the range in your data. The range is the basic spread of data. It doesn't give us specific points or parts of the data set, but it does show us how far apart the biggest and the smallest data points are. This is important because we can compare it with our mean, median, and mode to identify if our data is heavy in one side compared to the other. And it can also tell us how far apart our data has been gathered, so we can tell whether it's a really narrow field of answers or if it's a really widely spread field of answers. So the way that we do this is the biggest number take away the smallest. So in this data set, we've got 12 as our big number and we've got 1 as our small number. So all that we do is 12 take 1. So our range is 11. That tells us that between the smallest data point and the biggest data point, there are 11 points. Do it again. Our smallest data point is 13 and our biggest is 43. So we do 43 take 13 and our range is therefore 30. So we've got 30 points between our biggest and our smallest. In the last data sets, I had the numbers ordered, and you have been encouraged to make sure that you order your data from smallest to biggest. In this case, they're not ordered, but that doesn't matter. We can still work from what we've got. We just need to find the smallest data point and the biggest data point, and we take them away. So it's 21 as our biggest, take away our smallest, which is 2, so our answer is 19. Our range is 19 points. Remember the rules. Your biggest number minus or take away your smallest number equals your range. And it's as simple as that.